here are from different parties. Some of them are state assembly and others are national assembly. So we won't have the senator around us here. The others who are yet to come, because we want to see the outcome of our meeting of the national headquarters here. So, what I would say is, sir, we are here with you now, and we're in your hand. We want to hear from you. What are we going to do next? 100% assure you that we are going to do it.
I once have another assurance from the campaign team that what are we telling our people when we get back to them? What is our position?
Actually, does not neglect his people. If you work for him, he will work for you. He does not neglect people. He does not forget people. Me, I'm from Kogi State. I'm not from Lagos by birth. But I'm representing him in the House of Rep. This is my third term. I'm representing the Ikeja Federal Constituency in the House of Rep. And Ikeja is the capital of Lagos. I'm sure you know that. So this is my third term, and I won my primary for the fourth term. So if Ashwagi is not a good person, he will not allow an outsider to come and be representing the capital of Lagos. So I want to say that I am so happy that you are here, and inshallah we will not regret it. We are going to work together. This is your house. Feel free anytime. Okay? If there is anything going on in your constituency or in your state that you want us to know, feel free to call. We'll give you our office numbers. Call and say you want to speak to either the DG or myself or any of our officers. We will respond to you.
Asiwaju does not abandon his people at any point in time. His joy is in seeing people around him progress. That is where his joy is. But also, whatever we are doing, we must be truthful. We must do it feasibly live. And it is from there that reward will come.